Hey guys, just another short one for you. I figured tonight Rose wanted to grill some pork chops, Filipino style. So she marinated them for almost 2 days. And tonight I was going to grill them, and there's a thunderstorm. So if anyone doubts my devotion to grilling, here's what it's like. We got a rip-roaring thunderstorm here now. And I'm still grilling. I don't know how well this will turn out, but let me pull one of these into the light for you. Okay, other angle. Yeah, there we go. I am slow grilling Filipino style pork chops. This is the first time she's given me the okay to go ahead and slow grill. And well, they've been on there about 3.5 hours now, and I have not left the grill even in this thunderstorm. So I think they're going to be pretty good. They don't call me the grill master for nothing. Well, I think that's probably about it for now. My battery's about to die, so I just wanted to get this out there for you. I love grilling anytime, anywhere, any weather. So I'll see y'all next time. Later.